How much sun do strawberry plants need? Strawberries are a favorite summer fruit for many people. Growing strawberries in a home garden takes some effort, but after 2 or 3 years, well-maintained strawberry plants can produce a large harvest. Plenty of sun is one requirement for healthy strawberry plants. Plant strawberries on a cool day with plenty of cloud cover. Excessive sun exposure or heat will damage new plants and stunt their growth. Strawberries are best planted in early spring. Choose a bed with full sun exposure. During the growing season, strawberries need full sun. At least 6 hours of full sun a day are required for healthy growth. Better fruit and stronger plants result from 10 hours of sun daily. Strawberries also grow well in containers. If you grow strawberries in containers, set your plants outdoors for at least 6 hours of full sun. If weather or climate prevents this, use a grow lamp to give your strawberries 6 to 10 hours of light a day.